welcome to Easy to Learn. Now let us learn about what is a static keyword and how we can use that in Java programming.
Hi guys, let us learn about static keyword in Java. Static keyword is used mainly for memory management. It is used with variables, methods, blocks as well as nested classes. Let us discuss how static keyword is used for variables as well as for methods. What is static variable? In step 1, let us see how to create a static variable. We need to write static integer data. So data is a static variable now. Let us look at the properties of static variable. Only one copy of static variable is created and it is shared by all the objects of that class. Now you may get it out. What does that mean? Now I'll explain it. I have defined a class demo with a static integer variable, static counter, and an instance counter. So we have a method counter which simply increments it. The other method display, which will simply display the count. So here I have a main function, public static void. I have three objects R1, R2 and R3 which will call the methods demo, and finally the display count is called by the object R3. If you observe the output, the static count eventually becomes 3 and the instance count remains as 1. How is that possible? Let me explain that with a block diagram. Here we have the objects R1, R2 and R3. We also have a static counter, whose value is 0. So the variables instance counter have the value 0. By the basic definition of static variable, only one copy of the value is created and it is referred by all the objects. So here the static counter value is 0, which is referred by the three objects R1, R2 and R3. So R1 counter, because it is incremented, the value of R1 becomes 1. At the same time, static counter is also incremented, its value becomes 2. Similarly, R2 also incremented and becomes 1, but at the same time static counter is also incremented and now the value becomes 2. Finally, R3, its value is incremented and also the static counter is incremented by 1, now its value becomes 3. So that's how the output is. Static method, let us discuss about it. It's very easy. How to create a static method? We simply write the keyword static. So here I defined a static method calculate by using the keyword static. So let us discuss about the regular method and the difference between static method. For a regular method we need an object to call these objects, but whereas for the static method we need not require any objects. That is, we can refer with respect to its class name. Here I defined a class website and also a static method site name. So in order to use that, I simply can write website.sitename. Let us now look at these restrictions for static method. That is where we can use and where we can't use. We can't call non-static variables or methods directly in static method. For example, here I have defined a float whose value is 3.14. So public static void main. Observe here, the static keyword is used, system out println pi. It cannot be used. with super keyword.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.